Bros and hamos and bros, it's Bedwars time. I'm here with Cadja. Alright, I'm gonna carry this person because, like, she sucks. So, yeah. Also, my name is not DoctorEpicness, it's Jude. So, yeah. Alright, so Cadja, you have anything you want to say to these fellow viewers?
No, I don't. What am I supposed to say?
I don't know. Say, hey.
Hey, I suck at Bedwars.
That is the point of this video. Alright, I'm gonna get this bed defense going. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, also, you know, we had no warm-up games today because warm-up games are for losers. If you don't already know that, then yeah. Dude, I swear, I never do warm-up games. I always hear YouTubers like, oh, I had this crazy, awesome, like, I don't know, this, like, crazy, awesome play, but it was in my warm-up game, so I didn't record it. Like, bro, who honestly, like, just does warm-up games? Like, they're so loser, man. I'm trying to get a bunch of kills, because, like, these people suck. This guy's a Wallabear skin, of course he sucks.
Koala bear skin?
Wallabear.
What's a wallabear?
It's a YouTuber who's, like, pretty trash. Oh, how many times do I have to kill these people? Where are you, man?
Wait, I didn't need blocks.
You don't need blocks. The bridge was already built. I was there for, like, solid 2 minutes.
I was waiting for 24 so that I could get endstone for the bed. Ooh, ooh. Ah, yes, I got one.
Got one. I got them 4 times. Your accomplishment means nothing.
Oh,
Let's
sad.
see. Wallabear, get out. You suck.
What's a wallabear?
It's a YouTuber, and he's, like, pretty garb. Dude, you gotta get over here, man. These people are stinky poo-poo McGee. And, like... there's no way you don't kill him, bro. I died because I was at 1 hit.
I also died.
Bro.
Whoops.
Literally, if I had an axe, they would be gone. The thing is, though, I can't let him... I killed them both.
Oh my gosh.
There's no way you fell, too.
Oh, I fell.
Dude, this video idea is going to be a lot harder than I thought it was going to be.
Well, that's a good thing, right?
I don't know. You're getting this generator. You can just let them come back. Oh my gosh. I know they're coming. No, I can't die. We lost our bed. You suck.
Oh, I do suck.
Alright. How could we, like, win the other? No, wait. No. No,
Oh.
where's the other? Oh!
Whoops. Wait, do you have a win streak?
It's only, like, 10.
Only 10.
Bro, I get 10, like, every other day. Bro, they came at me from, like, 2 different angles.
Ah, wait, no, I can't. I don't have blocks. I need blocks.
They don't have blocks, though, so...
But they're gonna kill me.
I'm not gonna kill you.
Oh, I landed it. No, they are.
No, they aren't. Not if I kill them first.
But I died.
No, you didn't.
I didn't die. I was like, it died. No, there's so many people.
Can I kill this guy? I have an iron sword, and he's Wallabear, and so I'm gonna follow him. Alright, so what should I do? Should I continue playing the game, or should I just, like, fall in the void? Comment down below. Alright, we're in this second game now, so, that's hot.
Do you want the...
No, I don't want it. I just want you to just come over to the other people's bed defense with me, you know what I'm saying?
Ooh.
Which way are we going? I guess we're going this way to red, since yellow wanted to be a party pooper and go sideways. We just gotta follow the trend.
I'm doing bed. I did bed.
Okay, good. Literally, all it needs is like 1 or 2 layers.
I put 2 layers.
Very.
Oh, no!
Why fast iron maps just kind of get me mad?
I hate.
Dude, literally, I rushed over as fast as I could, and they still got me with a fireball. What I love especially about them is that their lack of bed defense.
Oh!
Bro, look at. I did. I'm about to get this final kill too, unless Gray comes over and just cleans it up. No, Gray, don't come over. I got him. Let's go. GG's. Oh, kind of not low. That guy just got swatted out of the air by me.
turn into dust, not swatted out of the air. He's turned into dust.
Well, okay. Well, his bed's about to be gone, so bang, bang, bang. I'm about to kill Nipple Man. Nipple Man about to be dead. Nipple Man got flawless by Jude. Oh, Pink is like no health. Please, just let me get him. 1 kill down, 2 kill down. I'm too good for this game. Everybody subscribe right now.
Subscribe.
Okay, so one little argument that Cadja, whatever her name is, and I have been having is whether the orders of operations, is it PEMDOS or is it GEMDOS?
It's not really an argument because I don't care. I'll do it.
It is an argument because I'm making it an argument. I'm making it an argument. Okay, so she's on the side that's supposed to be GEMDOS, which the G is used for grouping, but I say no. It's used for parentheses.
Well, there are brackets though. Like, what if you weren't doing it just on the or?
Well, there's still brackets are type parentheses. Okay, farther. Okay, we stop talking about this conversation. What is that bridge? What? Dude, I'm never hiring you for any type of road construction job ever. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna say, hey, Aqua's coming to you, man. Aqua's coming to you. Aqua's coming to you. Hey, yo. Our bed's already broken, bud. That was not gonna work for him. Hey, I have a plan, and it's called leaving you. See you later, bud. Boop.
No, I don't. Okay, whatever. Oh. Whatever.
Have a nice life.
I'm gonna die. Wait, I had a diamond. Okay, bonk. Oh no, I had like 64 stuff.
64 stuff.
Stuff.
That's what I like to know.
Hey, wait, there's only 3 people left. That's good.
That's just so good. Did you like my idea? That
What was your idea?
leaving you.
I should have gone in the fireball and ruined it. That would have been funny.
Oh, and I still have 2 pearls, so I could have given you one, and then you could have like got out of there, but
you didn't.
I did not want to. It came across my mind, and it did, but I didn't like that idea. Yo, what is this guy doing?
Bonk. Oh, what if they like knock you off the edge?
Oh, that's fine. I can deal with that.
Oh wait, you have the pearls. He just jumped off. Oh wait.
Uh-oh. I just need a little bit of money, yeah. Wop.
Yay.
You know, the key to winning, Bedwars is just singing songs. Alright, so you getting a bed defense or I'm getting a bed defense?
I do bed defense.
Then I am leaving you once again. We're going over to Blue. Blue and I are gonna have a little chat with our swords. Although he probably won't hit me because they suck. Like all Bedwars players.
What's their names?
I don't know, look at them.
Booty.
What is it?
Press tab.
Okay. I told you they weren't gonna hit me.
Ooh,
Oh, I thought you said the name was Kaylee's Booby. I was like, there's no way that can be right.
No.
Do you think I can block trap this guy? I kinda did. Okay, I have half health. Do you think I kill? Oh, this guy's 159 star. Can someone just like, bro? That's higher than me.
No, it's not. Wait, is it? 1, 2. I have like 2 stars.
Where are you? He's gonna kill me because he's like good. No, he's not. He sucks. I was scared of him, and then he just kind of sucks. Oh, hey, Green wanted to come over and party with me and my sword. He wanted to do a party in the USA, you know, Katy Perry style.
That's not Katy Perry.
Shut up.
Wait, is it?
I'm pretty sure it's like Backstreet Boys. It's not Backstreet Boys. Oh, this guy does want to party. He wants to party harder than me. Hey, this guy's over here. Why is he just leaving his bed open? Hey, I'm gonna get green bed. You should just kill that green guy, or at least try to. At least stall him or do something. Wait, don't let them do that. Do not let them.
I'm going back. I'm going home. Oh no, I didn't get him. Oh my gosh, Void, please, Void, please. Oh no.
Oh, you did it! You did it! You mad lad! You mad lad! Cadja, you did it!
Oh no.
Oh, guy, you thought you pranked me! You thought you pranked me! You really did! You really... You, look at you! Dumb looking. See, I saw him. He's right here. He's right here. Look at him, bro. He's so stupid. He's so stupid. He's so stupid.
Why?
Cause look at him, bro. Look how stupid he is! Look how stupid he is!
Okay. Oh my gosh, you can kill the bunnies.
You can.
Okay, and then the bunnies are...
Dude, there's another. Why is the other one coming for us, man? Doesn't he know that I'm just too good for him, man? He's not even the one with diamond armor, and he thinks he can kill me, man. Get. Oh. L's.
One of us just had to go take a really fat dump.
And it wasn't me. And it couldn't have been her, because girls don't poop.
Oh yeah, I don't poop, sorry.
Jeez.
Huh?
How do you not know that? I know.
I've never pooped in my life.
I know. That's kind of the things that happen. See, look.
I'm a jellyfish. Get it? Because jellyfish don't have organs. Haha, so funny.
They still
Oh
eat.
my gosh, I just... What?
They still eat.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do. How do you think they grow?
They don't.
What do you mean they don't grow? You think they're just born as big as they are?
Yeah, how are they even born? We need to like watch jellyfish reproduction videos.
That's why I can't win. Talking about jellyfish reproduction.
Jellyfish reproduction. Seems amusing.
Fireball.
Oh, he has a fireball. Oh, ha 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 ha.
He has two of them. Why do you have so many? You know, I have a great idea. You want to hear my great idea?
Yeah.
It's called
Go down.
kill the one with the higher star first, and then
Okay.
go and kill the other one. They have 2 levels of wood.
He
Hey,
sucks.
stall. They don't know I'm here. They don't know I'm here. They're bad. They're bad.
Yes, Texas girl 88.
That's you. You're Texas girl 88. Hey, yo, this gray guy right here, he doesn't even know I'm here.
Great.
Dude, I love when people just like don't play the game and they just kind of let me live.
Oh my gosh, I fell again. He was at 2. How'd he kill me?
Monkey noises.
What?
Monkey noises.
Monkey.
Did you not hear yourself?
Yes, I sound like a monkey.
Oh my gosh, I'm literally gonna die. Dude, how do I not land these fireballs? It didn't even be a green. Okay, whoa, high pixel. I still got him, let's go. Aqua has a big boy bed defense, which means he has a big boy pee-pee.
That's nice.
Yep.
Was I supposed to get that?
Look at him, big boy pee-pee over here.
Oh, hey.
No, I died, bro. You're not.
Oh my god.
You fell again.
Okay.
I thought you were Aqua.
I did not see that. That was scary. Oh.
You fell again. You fell again. You fell again.
Again.
You did. It says it right there in the chat. You fell again.
Oh, you're talking about Ben.
You fell Ben.
Ben.
Oh, well, you also fell then. You fell both.
Who's Ben?
Ben 10.
Ben. Oh my gosh, I hate that show so much.
Get out.
The kid is so obnoxious.
Alright guys, and that was an episode of Minecraft Bed Wars. If you guys don't know, yeah, so I basically just carried this girl. I don't think she got any kills ever. But yeah, so that's the game. I don't think I'm ever gonna talk to her again. She said Ben 10 was bad. So yeah, as always, catch you on the flip side.